The I-Team received a code early last week that even this weekend still appeared to give us access to book a vaccine appointment on the state's My Turn website. These are special access code that the State Department of Health has been distributing to nonprofits, community groups, and other organizations. They're meant for people in underserved communities most impacted by COVID-19. Using the code, I was not only quickly deemed eligible, but offered multiple locations where I could book a slot. We even had the option to book a first and second appointment at one location, though we never followed through. This was nearly a week after we brought our findings to the attention of state health officials. Last week, a spokesperson for the governor's Office of Emergency Services told us they were going to stop giving out group codes and start allocating one code per person starting Monday. But codes we were forwarded by more than one source got us through the portal as recently as yesterday morning. The I-Team confirms at least 2 people not in the eligible tiers to get the vaccine were able to book appointments with a code over the last few days. We've again reached out to the state to explain why this is still happening, but have not yet received a response.
When you go to get your vaccine, you will need to show documentation.
Los Angeles County Public Health Director Dr. Barbara Ferrer acknowledges the continuing code problem and says in LA County, vaccine site workers will now be asking for proof from everyone who arrives for an appointment that they're in an approved tier.
People that are coming to get vaccinated are going to be asked to verify that they're in an eligible group. And anyone that's not able to do this, unfortunately, will be asked to wait their turn.
Yeah, and Dr. Ferrer also asked if you are not eligible but were able to use a code to book a vaccine appointment to please cancel immediately so someone who is eligible can get theirs. Now, the county is also doing direct outreach in communities, going to so-called trusted leaders and organizations to identify people who qualify to get their vaccine appointments. As for the codes that were shared with us, as of late today, they no longer seem to be active. For the I-Team, Lolita Lopez, NBC4 News. Chuck?